right now. Number 4 is the official Creality K1 3D printer. In today's world of 3D printing, where innovation meets imagination, the Creality K1 3D printer emerges as the superhero of speed, stability, and quality. This cutting-edge machine brings excitement, boasting features that make it the best 3D printer under $700. With its lightning-fast printing capabilities, the Creality K1 leaves its competitors in the dust, delivering mind-blowing speeds that are 12 times faster than your average FDM printer. It's like having a cheetah in the world of 3D printing. But it's not just about speed. The K1 takes performance to a new level. Equipped with a state-of-the-art ceramic heater, this beauty heats up to a scorching 200 degrees Celsius in just 40 seconds, ensuring your filament melts instantaneously. Say goodbye to waiting around and hello to seamless printing. Running on the powerful Creality OS, this intelligent printer is not just a one-trick pony. It's compatible with optional add-ons like AL LiDAR and AL Camera, allowing you to expand your creative horizons further. The possibilities are endless. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.